and I said we would look at some crypto. So the question posed to me is, what is my long-term Elliott count on Ethereum? Well, if I, gun to my head, had to look at this, I would do something like this. So go back to this 2019 or 2018 low. Go 1, 2, 3 up to here, up to May, all right, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and everything since then is a correction or a fourth wave correction. So you would go like, A, B, C, and that would be your fourth. I'll lay it out for you here as well. Here, let me put it on this chart so that you can see what I'm thinking. And again, I'm going back to this 2018 low is kind of where I'm starting. It's just what sticks out to me. And again, I think this is true for any type of pattern analysis. You shouldn't have to sit there and come up with these crazy counts and all this stuff. It's either there or it's not. So it's like, if it screams at you and it says, here I am, you count it real easy, it's there. If you have to take a while to look at it, there's just nothing there, right? So I would go like this. Okay, and then 5 somewhere, who knows where. Let's do a little ratio analysis on this. All right, so where's the 127 to? It's going to be a lot higher, but I'm just wondering. 5109, okay. Let's say if we did simple trend line action here, hold on. So it's pretty good actually. It's 33 degrees. Okay, we're gonna go 33 on this. So you see what I've done here. These are, this is Elliott channeling, okay? So first of all, I don't know if this is the top of wave 3. This is where my head's at, because to me, this was kind of a false break, right? Reversal to the downside. And I'll zoom in and show you what I'm looking for in terms of a trade here in a little bit. But this is Elliott channeling, right? So 1, 3, extend off 2, and then that estimates the end of wave 4. So you could be talking about, close to $1,000 if this is for real. But here's what I'm looking at in terms of, and again, it could be totally wrong. This is what I'm looking at in terms of a trade. So go back to the July low, and you got this trend line here. Beautiful touches, right? All throughout September, November, right? Little volatile December price action. But that's where I'm looking at for resistance in that line, underside, which is like 45.50s, okay? So I would say if you don't if you don't back off at that level, and then you're probably going to new highs, and everything I just said is probably wrong in terms of a count. But that's what I'm thinking at the moment. It's a good time for me to let you know, if you don't already know, that we are looking for profitable traders at Scandinavian capital markets for our prop trading program. Okay, we launched a new version of the prop trading program a few weeks back. I've been talking about this a bit. You may have seen it on Twitter. You may have watched these webinars. We are funding up to $1 million for traders, okay, given, of course, that you pass the assessment. There are no fees, time constraints. It's just trade, okay, as long as you, again, pass our assessment. That's that simple. So if you want to know more about it, and you want to become a money manager, start your path to becoming one, go to scandinavianmarkets.com/getfunded. All right, so check it out. Great opportunity.